Hey everyone, welcome to Imaniah Codes, where we make learning web development simple and fun. In this video, we are kicking off HTML complete tutorial series in 2025. If you have ever wanted to build your own website or become a web developer, this is where it all begins. So grab your laptop, follow along, and by the end of this episode, you will understand what HTML really is and have your computer set up to start coding. So let's start with the basics. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's not a programming language, it's a markup language that gives structure to a web page. Think of it like a skeleton of a website. Every image, the paragraph, or link you see on a web page exists because of HTML tags. When you open any website, your browser reads HTML code and turns it into what you actually see on the screen. Here is an example of what HTML look like. Looks simple, right? Every tag has an opening and closing part, and together they tell the browser what to display. Now, before we start writing codes, let's set up the tools you will need. Firstly, you will need a web browser. Chrome, Firefox, Edge will work perfectly. And secondly, you need a code editor. And I recommend using Visual Studio Code because it is free, lightweight, and it has many extensions to make code easy. To download this VS Code, head to your browser and search for VS Code download. Go to their official website and select your platform to download. If you are using Windows or you are using Mac, you can download it here. Then after installed, open the VS Code and you will see a clean workspace where we will write our HTML code just like this. And lastly, you need an extension which is called Live Server. This extension, it helps you to preview code while you edit instead of manually opening or running your HTML file. To download the live server, go down here to extension tab and search for live server. This is it here, and click on download and activate. After you activate it, you will find go live here. All right, let's build something small together. Create a new folder, name it whatever. Open the VS Code and you can open your folder here or you can drag and drop the folder. Create a new file and name it index.html. Then press this keyword, enter. Let's change the title and write something. Save the file and you can go live here or right click and go down to open with live server, allow access, and this is the HTML file. Now you can see your first web page. Congratulations, you just wrote your first HTML document. You see every line you see here, the heading, the body, the tags, we will explore them deeply in our upcoming episode. That's it for the introduction part. You now understand what HTML is and have everything ready for your coding journey. In the next episode, we will start writing our first real HTML page from scratch and learn how tags and elements work. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification so you don't miss the next episode. I am Imaniah from Imaniah Codes. See you in the next tutorial.